Hey everyone, welcome back to RoboHub 360 YouTube channel. Hope you're doing good. Today we're going to learn how to create a command file. The command file contains a sequence of instructions that automates robot operations, executes complex sequences without manual intervention. You can find the Create Command File option in the Robot Motions tab of the Robot Control Center. This feature allows users to execute a batch of commands in sequence. How it works? Users prepare a command file, batch file. The file contains a sequence of instructions. The system executes them one by one. It ensures consistent and repeatable behavior. For example, a command file may include move to point A, pick object, move to point B, release object. All these steps are executed automatically in sequence. We usually write batch files in the notepad, so let's not waste time and start making a batch file. As said earlier, the command file contains a set of instructions. These instructions are more like a code. It has a syntax that needs to be followed in order to execute the required task. Here we can see an example instruction given. In the top, we write the header files, where we specify the robot version and the environment we are working on. The main script starts from here. movep right, 0.145. The L here indicates low-level language. movep right is a command that refers to move the right arm towards the point. Beside it, we specify the point name, and the 45 tells the angle theta for rotation. Let's see more about them in detail as we start writing a command file.
In the previous video, we've seen how the arms move and place an object from one position to another manually by entering coordinates to the points and executing tasks. So now, let's write a command file and automate that process. Open a notepad file. We'll first need to load the header files. #robot control command file. It tells that the file is a specified Robot Control Center batch file. #robot version specifies the version of the robot we're using. Here we're using version 2. Next, #environment specifies the environment that we're using, either POC or SAM or aluminum. Here, we are working on aluminum. So this is the end of header files. Now we get into the main instruction script. First, we move the carriage to the initial straight position. movet straight. We will first start by pulling the right arm upwards, as we won't be using it for pick and place actions. And it might even collide with objects if left straight.
movep point 1.5. Make sure to create a point in the control center with the necessary coordinates before adding. If you want help on how to create a point, watch our previous video, Robot Motions Part 2. Next, we move the left arm towards the vessel position, i.e. towards left, where we specify another point. movep left, point 11. movep left, point 22. Now grip the vessel with the jaw gripper of the arm and create a point there. movep left, point 33. Use the grip task to grip the vessel. movet grip. Note that we use move T instead of move P for tasks, whereas move P for points. So now that the vessel is gripped, we move the vessel along with the arm towards right to another position. movep left, point 55. movep left, point 66. movep left, point 77. Now we have to release the vessel from the arm, so we use the release task. movet release. Yep, the vessel has been released. Now we take the arms a little bit farther to resting position. movep left, point 88.
So let's now save this command file so that we can upload it in the Robot Control Center. I already have a saved batch file, so I'll be using that. After saving, we'll go to the Control Center. We can find the Execute Command File option in the Robot Motions tab. In this tab, we find the Select File option, where we'll be selecting our command batch file to get executed. After selecting the file, you can see the commands in the file's content here in the command preview. Click on Execute Command File. The execution starts, and you can see the automation happening. That's it. We've automated the robot's motions and shifted the object from one position to another. Here you can see the status of each command execution. If there's any errors in the commands, you can identify them here. So I hope you liked the video and understood how to create a batch file. You can experiment on various robot movements and tasks with these batch files. Let's meet in the next video with another interesting topic. Until then, stay tuned to our RoboHub 360 channel.